Suppose you are member of cultural club of your school. Your club is going to organize Diwali fair. You have to make one poster on that. So you can start by giving heading. So you can give one heading here. And if possible, you can draw something here also. Yes. This side also and this side also. Now in bold and capital letters, write down, because this is invitation, so no slogan is required here. Let's celebrate Diwali together, or you can write in capital letters and bold letters. Come one and all. Come one and all means सबको आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. So come one and all. To कहाँ पे बुला रहे हो बेटा सबको? Yes. So write down Diwali fair. You can always use your creativity, but don't write in paragraph form. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा सारी lines नहीं लिखनी. Vishav. Now you can mention date, time, and venue. In single line, you can just mention. This one? नहीं बेटा ऐसे लिख दो. Different type of letters can be used. When is Diwali next? Thursday, I think, or Friday? Thursday. So you can have it on Monday. On Monday, now mention date also. Monday क्या date है? Please mention here. This Monday. हाँ जी बेटा, leave a line here also. From 11 a.m. to, you can mention any time here. Eleven PM स्कूल में बेटा खाओ, इतना तो एनुअल फंक्शन नहीं होता. पिछली बार भी नहीं हुआ बेटा. Leave one line here. In poster, try to leave so many lines just to highlight the. Bishop, क्या हो रहा है बच्चे? What are you eating? Please stand up. What are you eating? Come outside, please. Jyotin, आप भी आ जाओ. Jyotin, please come out. You come to school to eat chewing gum? Get one paper and throw it here. Jyotin, आ जाओ. Now you can mention venue also. In school auditorium, you can just imagine there is one auditorium here. पेन से बेटा पेन. Now after school auditorium, you will just in imagination divide the poster in two parts here. This side you will write attractions, special attractions. School auditorium के बाद. And this side you can make a picture, please. यहाँ पे एक picture. This side a picture. This side you can mention some special attractions. Please tell me. Yes, center में. Special attractions everyone. क्या क्या होती है fair पे special attractions? Only main beta points. There will be नहीं लिखना. Heavy discount on food items. Beta, you are not supposed to write the whole line. Only few words. Okay. Okay. Never line full lines in poster. Nobody will read it. That we will have snack stalls. No, only main words you have to mention here. Yes, बेटा. कौन तो बोला खेल रहा है? Attractions की heading लिख दो better. Still, if you don't want, you can directly start the bullet forms. But वो थोड़ा incomplete लगेगा. Firecracker show, okay. 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 Firecracker show. I think more than enough. 5 attractions are more than enough. Madhav? वो थोड़ा different font में लिख सकते हो. ऐसे थोड़ा and in stylish way. And many more. Okay. Now on this side, please draw one beautiful picture of Diwali or any candles, diyas, any crackers. You can make any picture. On this side. Yes, beta. Attractions or any heading of your choice. कुछ अच्छा से लिख देना इधर. Or you can make some more pictures here. Stop it, everyone, please. Now here, please write down issued by. हाँ नहीं, पेन से कर दो, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ जी बेटा, एक लाइन छोड़ दो. Yes, who is the issuing authority here? Please tell me. You can mention contact also if you want. Make some more pictures here, please. You can make that also. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? That goes in air. Rocket, yes, rocket. You can make some rockets also. I don't know how to make. You can just make. ये कौन था? Please tell me. हाँ, attraction. Eco-friendly. Okay. Now Jasmine has made some one plate and some laddus also. You can make that also if you want. So Sarang, अगर लड्डू को लड्डू बोलना है तो वही बोलना है. Don't say potato bombs. Quickly complete, then we have to do second poster as well. Make some laddus here, please, like Jasmine made. जलेबी बना दो, it's okay. Should I rub it now? Now please note down next poster. Okay, I'm waiting. Please complete it. Yes, Gaurish.
मैम मैंने लाइक इस तरह का एक वन दिया बनाया है, तो मैम ये अच्छा है या नहीं है, इसको हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं अपने पोस्टर के अंदर?
Yes, exactly. You can draw it, beta, on one side.
Okay,
Other
ma'am.
students, you can also show me if you have made something extraordinary. For that, you have to turn on your video and except Gorish, all are sitting with videos off. I'm coming there, beta. Yes, very nice. So use your creativity, please don't follow the same pattern here. You can make something different. You can see poster of Jasmine also. So try to make something different. Okay. Let's celebrate together. Shubha culture. Very nice. Now give me 1 minute. I have to take one round. Now this is not an event, so you can't write on this date at this place. Now try to find something different. Yes, Shubh, you have made the previous poster. Shubh, are you there? No. लड्डू तो बहुत अच्छे बनाए हैं. स्नैक स्टॉल्स, कलरफुल लाइट्स, हाइट्स लग रहा है लाइट, रंगोली, कॉन्टेस्ट क्विज, लकी ड्रॉस, फायर क्रैकर्स, स्वीट्स, गेम्स. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक और लाइन ड्रॉ करो. Yes, Shubh.
Yes, ma'am.
You have made the previous poster or not? Okay, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. थोड़ी सी नोटबुक, little bit, थोड़ी नीचे. School auditorium. Okay, very nice. Well done. It's correct. Now please do next one also. Save water. Conservation of water means save water.
Just save one drop of water.
Save every drop of water. Happy Diwali. What is this? Laddu. Gifts. 50% off on clothes. Okay, very nice. Perfect. So quickly start at least. I'll check your posters, please. Vaibhav, have you made the previous one? Vaibhav. Okay, Jasmeet. Veronica. Savya.
Yes, ma'am.
You have made the previous one.
Yes, ma'am. I'm pictures नहीं बनाई अभी.
Draw it quickly, please. Vaibhav. Here, listen everyone, because you don't have any place, time or venue here, you can add 2 slogans or few lines also, 2-3 lines, जिसमें आप सबको बोलो save करो water, ठीक है? You can add 2-3 lines. What can be the heading? Please tell me. Okay. You can give only this much also. Now write one slogan. वो स्लोगन में आ जाएगा बेटा. Something else, कोई और स्लोगन. Okay. Okay. Every drop of water is precious. What after coronavirus? Yes, Gaurish and Jasmine. One by one, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, no water, no life, no blue, no green.
1 minute, please. 1 minute, everyone. No water, no life. उसके बाद क्या बोला बेटा आपने?
Ma'am, no blue, no green.
Okay, fine. Well done. Jasmine. Jasmine, if you can hear me, please unmute. Okay, Shubh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, life depends on water and water conservation depends on you.
Okay, nice. Savya.
Yes, ma'am. If we will save the water, then water will save our life.
Try to write a bigger slogan just to cover your this place. Otherwise, यहाँ से बिल्कुल यहाँ से थोड़ा empty लगेगा, and then you can start ways to save water. Then in bullet form you can give some ways. On this side and on this side you can draw one picture. Yes. Repeat it. Do's and don'ts. Okay. Yes, you can write. Do's में आ जाएगा what should we do, and don'ts में what we should avoid. So do's and don'ts. You can write do's and don'ts. Or you can simply write ways to save water. And on this side, make pictures. If you can make one earth and make water drop outside that earth, it will be fine. Or earth बना के, I think yesterday Agamjot made that picture. एक water tap बनाई थी कि water is running. Earth के साथ water tap attached थी. Yes. Yes. Jasmine, try to speak up, beta. I have tried to mute you so many times. Unmute.